She says that my heart is somewhere, my mind is somewhere, and my soul is still at my birthplace. No matter where I go, मैं किसी भी कमरे में जाता हूँ ना, I feel like I have it in me and I can do this. I can take up a challenge. And I've always been a bit of a rebel. That's the famous banyan tree.
Banyan tree you're talking
Anyone
about.
who's been to modern school will tell you he has some fond memories associated with this particular location. Clueless kids, how kids are somewhat clueless or free. लाइफ में कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बस जो स्कूल में चल रहा है दैट वाज द बी ऑल एंड ऑल ऑफ योर लाइफ.
Hi everyone, I'm Divya. You're watching me on ABP Live as well as ENT Live. मेरे साथ आज हैं इशफाक सिंह, जिन्हें आप बहुत जल्दी बर्लिन में देखने वाले हो. मैंने देख लिया है by the way. And
Thank you.
It is lovely. You were absolutely great.
Amazing. So glad you liked it.
So how are you? दिल्ली आके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's like I read a book, my favorite book, Maps of Lost Lovers. उसमें they talk about three aspects. The protagonist, she says that my heart is somewhere, my mind is somewhere, and my soul is still at my birthplace. So my soul remains at my alma mater. A part of me always stays there.
Okay, and what's special about Delhi?
Modern school.
Okay, जहाँ पे हम हैं अभी मॉडर्न स्कूल में, हम
old
इशफाक के
memories.
स्कूल में जहाँ पे आपने अपने
4 साल.
लाइफ के 4
सबसे
Precious साल.
महत्वपूर्ण साल बिताए.
स्पेंड किए हैं.
High school is what shapes you, really, the person that you become, because from that, you kind of moving towards facing the real world.
या
तो modern school की जो खासियत है, I would love for you to pan and show, the architecture of modern school, which is beautiful. It's all exposed red brick and designed by Baker. I mean, I'm also an architect.
Okay.
So, the Lutyens, Protégé, very famous. School की जो खास बात है कि यहाँ पे ना, there was a lot of, I think this modern school gives you a sense of pride, a sense of legacy, a sense of confidence, that which just, no matter where I go, मैं किसी भी कमरे में जाता हूँ ना, I feel like I have it in me and I can do this. I can take up a challenge. And I've always been a bit of a rebel to try to do something against the grain, against the tide, which I was told कि, it's a little uncharted territory. Acting, for instance.
ओके.
I wasn't a very good student, and I was told maybe architecture is not for you.
Oh.
Because I was a sportsman, so I never really got the time to study. But I knew that यार अगर मैं करना चाहूँ तो करूँगा. So I went to the US. There I was a topper. Then here when I finished my architecture from here, Delhi, I did really well in college.
Okay.
Moved
Have
things
you ever
around.
been punished by the principal or any teacher?
यार पनिशमेंट तो देखो, अगर किसी बच्चे को ना मिले तो फिर उसने
स्कूल लाइफ
स्कूलिंग
जीने
क्या की. ये प्रिंसिपल रूम है. आई
Okay.
थिंक अभी भी वही है. पहले पुराने दरवाजे होते थे, वो जैसे
Yeah.
ऐसे शटर्स होते थे ना, swivel.
Okay, now let's enter
Wow.
the classroom and meet the kids who are studying here right now.
Good morning, sir. Principal Datta.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir, for allowing us to visit my alma mater.
Yes,
It's always, I was just telling her that it's such a pleasure.
Yes,
Hello, everyone. Okay, lovely to be on the other side of the fence. I've always been on that side, and I miss the good old days, my wonder years.
So इशफाक, अभी यहाँ का कोई भी ऐसा फ्रेंड है जिससे आप स्टिल कनेक्टेड हो?
Oh yes, absolutely. In fact, some of my closest friends are still my friends from school.
ओके.
तो और एक बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है, वी आर, एंड सम ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स, इस स्कूल की ऐसी एसोसिएशन है कि वो आई एम श्योर काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्कूल्स का होता ही है कि आप स्कूल से निकलने के बाद या कॉलेज से निकलने के बाद कई जो आपके दोस्त स्कूल टाइम में उतने आपका अच्छा ऐसा उनसे रैपो नहीं होता, लेकिन आफ्टर स्कूल बिकॉज ऑफ कॉमन फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल you become really close. So I have that also. I mean, I have those kind of friends also, again from the school, and it's good because it's you spend the best years of your life together, and
Yeah.
you all have like your version of a particular incident. The other person knows something else. So when we all get together, it's a pleasure. It's a treat to talk about. कि अच्छा उस दिन ऐसा हुआ था, दूसरा बताता नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा हुआ था.
Yeah.
So वो मतलब वो जो हैप्पीनेस है उसको आई कांट क्वांटिफाई इट.
Okay, so were you a studious person or a more person who is inclined towards sports?
नहीं, मैं स्पोर्ट्स स्टूडेंट, मतलब एक स्पोर्ट खेलता था. आई यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट माय स्कूल दिल्ली आल्सो इन टेबल टेनिस. तो मैं एंड द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम, आई नाउ ओवर द इयर्स रियलाइज, बैक देन आई थॉट मे बी शायद आई एम नॉट एकेडमिकली, दैट्स नॉट माय forte, but I kind of zone into one thing. I can't do multiple things. So when I was playing the sport, I was wholeheartedly dedicated to it. तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी पढ़ाई सफ़र होती थी, but I used to be okay. I used to get by. I was a science student. ठीक ठाक नंबर से पास हो गया. आर्किटेक्चर की पढ़ाई भी कर ली.
Okay, और एक्टिंग में भी आ गए.
हाँ, तो मतलब
सब
ठीक
कर
है,
लिया.
इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है मेरा.
अच्छा, okay, this was that.
That's the famous banyan tree.
Banyan tree you're talking
Anyone
about.
who's been to modern school will tell you he has some fond memories associated with this particular location. The beauty of it is that इसकी जो अहमियत है हमारी लाइफ में इतनी है कि जब यहाँ पे हमारा रियूनियन होता है तो द एंटायर this becomes the you have to see, I mean, it's all over because there's like so many students, so many batches, over 50-60 years. Modern school is a very old school, older perhaps, 75-80 years. There's so many former students who come, but everyone, you'll find them moving towards the banyan tree, and everyone gets together here, and there's like,
So
it's
this
a
is the
great
adda
vibe.
of
Yeah,
this school.
ये अड्डा है. हब है ये.
Oh, you're actually very sporty. गलत नहीं कह रहे थे. It is still there.
भाई अब पता नहीं ना, अब if it breaks then, and अभी सामने टीचर्स भी खड़े हैं तो ज़्यादा शैतानी नहीं हो सकती, but back in the day we used to try.
Are you still feeling disciplined because all the teachers are there?
Oh yes, of course I am. Of course I am. This used to be the hangout. आओ बैठो.
Oh.
This was the hangout. बस यहाँ पे बैठे रहते थे और we just clueless kids, how kids are somewhat clueless or free. लाइफ में कोई टेंशन नहीं है, बस जो स्कूल में चल रहा है, that was the be all end all of your life. Everything was about
तो स्कूल में कभी ख्याल नहीं आया आगे करियर में क्या करना है? आर्किटेक्चर, एनीथिंग?
Yeah, I mean, somewhere at the back of the mind you were told, but me and my friends, at least we never faced the pressure of कि ये करना है. Some of my friends who were like, everyone was relaxed, laid back, but some were really good in studies and got admission in top schools. But there was a little ease in our life. I don't know if it was that time or if it was just this school. I've really, I mean, I wish everyone has this kind of a school life because I had a blast.
Okay.
4 साल में था स्कूल में. आप मानोगे, बच्चे, अगर मैं लेट हो जाता था तो मैं कोशिश करता था, लोग भागने की कोशिश करते कि मैं कैसे अंदर घुस जाऊं स्कूल के.
Okay.
गेट्स वर शट.
तो आपको आना होता था स्कूल में?
हाँ, I mean, in 4 years I missed 1 day of school, and that was when I had a fracture in my toe. वो भी फिर उसके अगले दिन लंगड़ाता हुआ आ गया मैं.
ओके. अच्छा, अगर मैं बर्लिन की बात करूं जो आने वाली है Z5 पे, इज इट शॉर्ट हेयर?
No, it's short around this area as well.
Around this area.
Yes.
So you used to feel nostalgic during the shoot?
When it comes to the subject of Berlin, I think it wasn't just about school. It was about the city, because again, with the city too, I have great association. Because being a sportsman, I always used to be outside. तो मेरा घर, मेरी 4 दीवारी नहीं थी. मेरा घर पूरा शहर ही था, because I used to play a sport. So we used to go to different schools. We used to play tournaments at different locations, venues. I used to travel with my group from a very, very young age. So वो जो होता है ना घर का, हम, I mean, there would be, when I was very little, someone used to be there. Maybe मेरी mother होती थी या घर से कोई होता था. But that camaraderie, that association with the city, with the people of the city, that became because I was always outside, always engaging with the city and its people. So that's why some of the locations where we shot, in fact, Asiad Village के आसपास हमने कुछ shooting की है, and I used to practice there. Sri Fort, if you know.
Okay.
DDA
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
Sri Fort Sports Complex है, I used to practice there, and I have some great memories of that place. I've practiced, trained there for like good 6-7 years. सो वहाँ पे हमने शूट किया, तो जस्ट विप्स बैक ऑल दोज अमेजिंग मेमोरीज यू नो ऑफ योर चाइल्डहुड, योर वंडर इयर्स. या
ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस प्लेस, स्पोर्ट्स अड्डा कौन सा था यहाँ पे आपका? ये तो हो गया चिलिंग अड्डा, व्हाट वाज स्पोर्ट्स अड्डा? कैन वी सी दैट?
स्पोर्ट्स जहाँ से हमने एंटर किया था वो लेफ्ट साइड, इट्स ब्यूटीफुली प्लान्ड यू नो, इट्स लाइक आई सेड डिजाइन्ड बाय वन ऑफ द आर्किटेक्चरल गॉड्स बेकर. As you enter, that's like a central axis,
या
okay, central thoroughfare. उस साइड पूरी sporting activities है, यहाँ पे academics है.
कैन वी हैव अ लुक
And
एट
at the
दैट?
far end you have the hostel and accommodation. Yes, of course.
Okay, let's
walk. We can. I mean, I'd love to walk, take you around from here.
ओके, बर्लिन की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो हाउ मच एक्साइटेड यू आर एज इट इज़ कमिंग ऑन Z5, और फेस्टिवल्स में तो बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिसिएशन मिला ही है.
I'm really thrilled there. I mean, if it's, you know, every film has its journey. Berlin has done it's had an exceptional journey. I would have not thought when we were shooting for the film that I'll go to LA, London. We couldn't go to all the festivals. मेलबर्न में हुआ, कनाडा में हुआ, अमेरिका में जगह जगह स्क्रीनिंग हुई,
या
और भी काफ़ी जगह अप्रिसिएशन मिली. काफ़ी लोगों ने, फ्रेटर्निटी के लोगों ने देखा, बहुत पसंद किया. एट मामी एंड द रेड लॉरी फेस्टिवल विच वर इन बॉम्बे. नाउ इट्स फाइनली रिलीजिंग. इट्स गोना बी विद द ऑडियंस एंड नाउ इट्स गोना बी देयर, यू नो, देयर फिल्म.
ओके, अच्छा, जो आपका कैरेक्टर है बर्लिन में, हाउ यू ट्रेन फॉर दैट? क्योंकि नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डायलॉग. एक तो पहले पता जब लगा कि हाँ ये कैरेक्टर करना है, एक भी डायलॉग नहीं है, तो क्या रिएक्शन था?
डायलॉग तो उसके सारे हैं, उसके प्रॉब्ली सबसे ज़्यादा डायलॉग हैं. पुष्किन और अशोक के दोनों सेम डायलॉग हैं, बट क्या है कि वो साइन लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहा है.
या
तो एक नेचुरली आपको एक लगता है कि यार मेरा जो सबसे बड़ा हथियार है, विच माई बिगेस्ट टूल इज़ माई वॉइस, एंड इफ़ यू टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम मी, how do I communicate? So I had to learn a new language, which is through, you know, your gestures, sign. It's a very meticulous, technical language. तो मैंने फिर वो लैंग्वेज सीखी, एंड उसी में ज़्यादा टाइम, कई महीने लगे उसे अच्छे से सीखने, बिकॉज द आइडिया वॉज टू लर्न इट नॉट बाय रोट, बट टू रियली अंडरस्टैंड द साइन लैंग्वेज एंड टू बी फ्लुएंट विद इट.
टू अंडरस्टैंड द इमोशन ऑफ.
हाँ, तभी तो आप उसको इमोशन को वो नेचुरली कर पाओगे. वरना इफ आई एम वॉक डाउन बाय कि मेरा हाथ कहाँ जा रहा है, मैं क्या साइन कर रहा हूँ, तो देन इट वोंट बी एन ऑनेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस. देन आई विल बी इट विल समवेयर शो, यू नो, आई विल बी ill at ease.
Okay.
So
Okay, we are, I
learning
guess.
the sign language was the biggest challenge.
Okay, we are, I
That's
guess,
the
at
major-
the spot.
That's the main auditorium. That's the basketball. This is what I was talking about. The sports area.
Oh,
It's the lovely field.
the whole area, वहाँ तक.
हाँ, वो पूरा पीछे तक. It's one of the biggest schools in Delhi. 20-25 एकड़ का स्कूल है.
Lovely.
And
तो
the heart of the city.
basically this
location.
school has shaped you a lot.
Oh yes, it's been a major influence. It's
One thing would you like to relive अगर यहाँ पे एक दिन स्पेंड करने को मिले?
अब देखो 4 साल मैंने आपको बताया कि मैंने एक दिन
सिर्फ
भी मिस
एक
नहीं
चीज
किया.
चूज कर सकते हैं.
ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. नहीं, बहुत सारी स्वीट, यू नो, देयर वर लाइक लॉट ऑफ, देयर वाज एन इनोसेंस इन दैट एज, दैट टाइम, यू नो, फ्रेंड्स, स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देम, winning tournaments, getting recognition, getting a pat on your back. Every time I'd win a trophy, they'd call me up on stage. It was such an encouraging thing. I felt like, you know, I was no less than any superstar.
Already.
Oh yes. वो एक आपको जो खुशी मिलती है, आपको सब बच्चों के सामने बुला के अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है.
Okay, so
That's
this was the
the-
TT code.
TT.
Nice.
No rackets, otherwise we could have played.
But we don't have, right? We just have to act.
So जब मैं स्कूल में था, this was a dilapidated, because these are all very old structures. So TT was कभी यहाँ से हटा के कहीं और डाल दिया था कुछ साल. तो ये तब रेनोवेशन में था, और ये अभी recently they fixed it, and what a beautiful job they've done. I'm so
Was there
glad.
any specific reason you were inclined towards TT?
नहीं, वो ऐसा होता है ना, जब आप छोटे होते हो तो your parents put you in some sport, so it was like that. And because I started playing it very early, and by the time I was 9 and 10 I was playing for the state. So तब आपकी एक सर्कल बन जाता है, एक कॉमराडरी बन जाती है, कोच से एसोसिएशन हो जाती है. Then that game is your life. You know,
Okay.
at that age.
So it happened, everything happened and turned you into another person maybe.
Yeah, I mean 4 साल की उम्र से मैं started playing. 4 or 5 I was so little that they used to put a stool for me to get on the table. I still remember my first day of practice, or like first few days. They put a stool and I was trying to hit the ball.
Okay, so cute, so cute. Oh, अच्छा, Ishfaq, it was lovely talking to you.
Likewise.
And we hope to have another tours with you. ये आपके स्कूल का टूर था and we would love to visit other places जहाँ पे आपने अपना childhood और young age जिया है. And yeah, and good luck and good wishes for Berlin also and later projects. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you, likewise.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.